Radiolink new FPV drone. Full accessories. Grab your bag and fly at will. Compact body. Take-off weight only 165 grams. Multiple flight modes, one-click switching. High-speed hovering, instant stop on braking. Optical flow algorithm. Position locking hover. When voltage low, automatically LED after giving a reminder. Analog. HD image transmission, optional. Optical flow positioning mode. It will not ascend abruptly. The fuselage is made of nylon plus carbon fiber material. Supports multiple charging ports, such as PC, car charger. Protective ring, making it collision resistant. One-click flip, then take off again with powerful thrust. Comes with an external Type-C parameter adjustment port. High expandability. Customize your exclusive flight experience.